I think we need to talk about something serious. Potato. Some people say that Latvians like potatoes a lot. That is true. And here is why. Potatoes are easy to deal with. They don't run away when you try to eat them. Like pigs, for example. Boil them, fry them, put them into burning fire even. Whatever you do, they come out awesome. Just like Arnold Schwarzenegger. You can make a lot of things out of potatoes. Fried, boiled, mash, pie, pancakes, soup. You can make your own alcohol out of potatoes. Do you even need another reason? Potatoes are so awesome you measure them in bags and buckets. Have you ever heard someone say, "I bought a bucket of spaghetti"? Exactly. Potatoes are friendly. They go great together with any meat, salad, mushroom, fish, whatever. What does sushi go together with? That's right, nothing. Tasty, but not friendly. And also we like potatoes so much because they are like a little bit like us. Hard, simple, a bit muddy, maybe not very fancy, but will always feed you. Sure, other food is nice and fun, like those 7 warm evenings in the summer. But trust me, you will want some bags of potatoes in your basement when the
winter is coming.